Hey, I'm Kiss, and today we're creating a street chic ponytail with some fun big clips and accessories. Today, my inspiration for this look is going to be an ode to the 90s, back when we used to wear a lot of clips and accessories in our hair. So it's a real hood fabulosity moment. A tip I recommend is to spray the hair, get it a little damp so that you can get a sleek, smooth ponytail.
My hair journey started back in freshman year in college. I started using more hair conditioner and products, and it helped me understand more of my curl pattern. And now I want to learn more styles, and I want to learn how to rock this beautiful curly hair.
What I really love about this look is you can totally make it your own. You can do a bun, you can do a ponytail, you can change the words up and really express yourself. You can use rhinestones and pearls like we're going to do today.
Left, don't know what I would do. She'll drive with a clip whilst talking the piff, tell her ride or die. Aye. Do both, do the most, keep both as afloat, tell her sink will survive. Aye. Never been at those shows where brothers won't go, let she paying them with dimes. Aye. In the bro, but still knows the code that she clock safe so many times. Aye. Ain't she the white? V-Sue come man, she buck the white. G big man ting, she buck the light.
To bring definition to the curl, I'm going to be using a moisturizing cream with a touchable hold.
Two on the belly so she watch it mine. I mention she fly, so tell them mother chickens hold up. They get all up. When I see her wanna hold her. She my coca, I'm addicted to a cola. Body so tough, ain't gonna need so still my mourner. Got me open, when she need don't wanna go her. I don't know her.
When placing the clips, really make sure that it's open so that you can place it in the hair without moving the hair.
I'm addicted to a cola, Coca-Cola. I'm addicted to a.
For finishing touches, I'm going to add some shine. And I'm going to finesse the baby hairs for the south.
She don't show up or don't show up. I'm addicted to a cola, cola. I'm addicted to a cola, Coca-Cola. I'm addicted to a.
I'm Kiss.
I'm Dulce.
For more videos like this, watch Whip My Hair.